Hey there, and welcome. So, has this ever happened to you? Someone asks for the time in English and you just freeze for a second? Yeah, it happens to a lot of us. But don't worry, in this quick explainer, we're going to break it all down step by step so you can answer that question with total confidence. Let's do this. This simple question right here. What time is it? That's our focus. And trust me, by the end of this, you'll be able to ask it and, way more importantly, answer it like it's second nature. So, let's get started, shall we?
All right, first things first, we've got to learn how to ask the question itself. It's actually a super simple exchange when you break it down.
See? It really boils down to this simple back and forth. You ask, what time is it? And the answer pretty much always starts with it's. Then you just add the time. That's the basic frame. Easy, right? Okay, now let's build on that.
Okay, let's kick things off with the absolute easiest part of telling time, the full hour. You know, when that long minute hand is pointing straight up at the 12. So, let's talk about this word, o'clock. Now, this little word has one and only one very specific job. You only use it for the full hour, when the minutes are 00. That's it. Think of it like a special key that only works at the top of the hour.
So looking at these examples, it's super straightforward. We'd say, it's 1 o'clock, it's 5 o'clock, and it's 10 o'clock. Hey, why not say them out loud with me? Go on. It's 1 o'clock, it's 5 o'clock, it's 10 o'clock. Awesome. Perfect. See? You've already got the full hour down pat. Now, let's build on that and tackle the most common chunks of time you'll hear, halves and quarters. All right, so when that minute hand has traveled halfway around the clock and is pointing down at the 6, that's 30 minutes. We call this half past. So 6:30, that's simply, it's half past 6. And 2:30, you got it. It's half past 2. It's just like saying half an hour has passed since 2. Next up, the 15-minute mark. When 15 minutes have gone by, we use the phrase quarter past. It makes total sense, right? A quarter of the hour has passed. So 4:15 becomes it's quarter past 4, and 9:15 is it's quarter past 9. Simple. Okay, now here's the one that can feel a little tricky at first, but I promise it's easy once it clicks. When there are 15 minutes left before the next hour, we say quarter to. The key here, and this is super important, is that you're talking about the next hour. So for 8:45, you're not thinking about 8, you're thinking about 9. It's quarter to 9. And for 11:45, the next hour is 12, so it's quarter to 12.
Fantastic! And you know what? Now that you get quarter to, you've actually unlocked the secret to telling any time in English. Seriously. We just take that same idea of past and to and apply it to all the other minutes.
I want you to picture a classic clock face in your head. Now draw a line straight down the middle, from the 12 to the 6. This splits the clock in two. For any minutes on the right side, that's minutes 1 through 30, we use the word past. For any minutes on the left side, that's 31 through 59, we use the word to. It's that simple. One side is past, the other is to.
Okay, let's look at the past side first. The formula couldn't be easier. It's just minutes past hour. So 3:10, it's 10 past 3. And 5:20, it's 20 past 5. You see that pattern? It's really consistent.
Now for the to's side. And remember the golden rule, we're always thinking about the next hour. So for 6:50, you ask yourself, how many minutes until 7 o'clock? Well, it's 10 minutes. So it's 10 to 7. What about 9:40? How many minutes until 10 o'clock? That's 20. So it's 20 to 10.
You're doing an amazing job. Seriously, you now have all the rules you need. So, you think you're ready to put it all into practice? Let's do a quick quiz to see how you do.
Okay, I'm going to give you 5 different times. Just take a second after each one and think of the answer. You ready? Let's go. First up, how do you say 3 o'clock? Okay, number 2, 4:15. Number 3, 6:30. Almost there, number 4, 8:45. And for the last one, number 5, 10:20.
All right, time's up. How did you go? Feeling confident? Let's check those answers and see. Here we go. For 3 o'clock, the answer is it's 3 o'clock. For 4:15, it's quarter past 4. 6:30 is it's half past 6. 8:45 is it's quarter to 9. And finally, 10:20 is it's 20 past 10. How'd you do? Hey, even if you only got 1 or 2 right, that is a fantastic start. Well done. Okay, great job on that practice round.
So let's just quickly lock in those main rules so you never forget them. These are the big takeaways.
It all comes down to these 4 simple things. Rule number 1, o'clock is a specialist. It's only for the full hour. Rule 2, use past for that first half of the clock, minutes 1 to 30. Rule 3, use 2 for the second half, and always think about the next hour. And rule number 4, maybe the most important of all, repeat it out loud. Seriously, that's the secret sauce to making it feel natural.
And just like that, you've got it. You have the whole system for telling time in English. So what's left? Only one thing. Start using it. In fact, go ahead, look at a clock right now. What time is it? See? You know exactly what to say. Great job, and thanks for joining me today.